just a quick video today featuring this coin, and I'm going to be asking for your help with it. It's an 1875 penny. It was minted at Tower Hill at the Royal Mint in London. It looks like there's a little mark underneath the date, but I think that's just damage. Now, can you see there's a little error on this coin? Can you see it? Let's zoom in. There we are. There's a little dot to the right of the ship, like a little full stop. Now, it's called the cannonball dot error, and apparently Michael Goby, the coin dealer, discovered it, saw it there and said, "What's that cannonball doing there? Looks like it's being fired from the ship." If you do a search for an 1875 dot penny, then you get lots of results of this one. And you can see the dot there just below the I on Victoria. Let's check it is 1875. Yeah, 1875. And this one sold for £420 in 2021. But it's not the dot penny that I'm looking for. It's a wide date, which is a Freeman's reverse J. The narrow date and the wide date are quite common. This one's a narrow date, reverse H. You can see the difference in size there. So let's put it under the microscope and have a closer look. There we are. It's obviously an error. A crack in the die caused that. A little bit of metal leaking through. So more than one of these found their way into circulation. But how many? That's my first question. How many of these are out there? Checking in books and online, it's very difficult to find out. It's controversial because some say, oh, it's just one, it's unique. Well, it's obviously not. Some say just 5 are known to exist, but others I've found, oh no, it's more than 10. So what is it? How many are out there? So do you have one with a cannonball dot error? Do you know someone who's got one? How much did they pay for it? If they sold one, how much did they get for it? Lots of questions on this coin. Any info you've got on this coin that will help me, please put it in the comments. It'll be appreciated. I was just going through my date runs with a magnifying glass, as I do, and I discovered I've got this one. I definitely didn't buy it, so I must have found it in a penny hunt. But when that was, how long ago, I don't know, I don't remember. Let's have a closer look at Vicky. There she is. Queen Victoria. What's that up there? Is that anything? No, I don't think so. I think it's just a bit of damage. So there we go then. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to getting a bit of information from you on this coin, on this lovely 1875 penny. I think the Queen's trying to say something. What's that, Victoria? Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That sounded more like Keir Starmer than Victoria, didn't it? Right, thanks for watching everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.